Model, 68-plate Ford Transit 350L3 diesel rear-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi 130ps H3 van spares OR repairs. Body, yellow, panel van. Mileage, 83,660. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130psa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Easy fix for someone who knows what they're doing. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, electric windows, parking sensors, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £11,595. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999